Welcome to the High Commission of Botswana. We support everybody that happens to be in our territory doing good things like yours. And we are happy that you are here for a good cause.
Our organization was founded with a clear vision to promote African tourism, culture, and creativity through pageantry, diplomacy, and youth empowerment.
Africa is a continent that awaits this heightened celebration as a destination of choice.
Thank you for welcoming us. We feel like we're home now. And we really promise that we will do our absolute best to take Botswana to new heights and represent you well and our nation.
Done 3 years of this pageant, and this is the 4th one. And over the years, we've had 30 delegates come year in, year out. This year, we have 35 delegates. Last year, we had Mr. Zimbabwe here. You know, when you talk about Africa, most of the time, people think that we live in the bushes.
Going by what you've already told us, your previous winners are all from Southern Africa, showing that Southern Africa indeed has a lot of beauty to share with the rest of Africa and the rest of the world. We've also taken note of your proposal for future collaboration.
Kuya kwataita panapa mukatitambira kuri kubooster confidence yedu, and we promise you that we are going to represent you well and secure the crown for Zimbabwe. Thank you.
On behalf of the whole organization, we say a big thank you. Kenya holds a very dear place in the heart of Africa and in our hearts, because our first ever winner, Muthoni Kariuki, was from Kenya.
So we just wish you all the best together with the entire team, and I encourage you to continue with this, because this is what strengthens and facilitates Africa's integration.
I really appreciate the fact that you acknowledged I came yesterday and managed to push the meeting to a day that I will be much comfortable. Nimeshukuru sana na umenichukulia kama mtoto na mzazi pia.